Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mayfield, or 12 miles southeast of Alvarado, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mayfield around 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Waxahachie around 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Ellis around 2:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bardwell Lake around 2:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Palmer around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rieger Springs, Foreston, Ike, Howard, 5 Points, Garrett, and Boyce. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 388 and 401. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current